Welcome to Kanye CRP. In order to check update material data for MRP, access ROU-T01 route management transaction. Fill the material number field for the relevant ROU and then search for it, select it, and then click the show button. In Kanye CRP, when MRP is run for the products, if there is a demand for the relevant product in the system, it creates a production plan for it. The MRP needs the production times of that product to calculate the dates on which the production plan will be available. Production times are kept in route information in Kanye MRP. The duration of each operation on the route of the product determines the production time of that product. The duration of the operations is determined by calculating the values of the activities belonging to those operations with certain formulas among themselves. To update the production time information in the material master records, the update can be enabled by activating the Update Material Operation Information check in Routes Detail, found over here. Another method for this operation is to select the ROU of the relevant material in the ROU-T01 route information screen and then click on the Update Material Operational Data button on the right. When MRP creates a production plan for a product, it is necessary to explode the bill of materials, as it will be necessary to plan the requirements for the semi-products and raw materials required for the production. But it has no relationship with route operations. MRP only needs the total production time of the product concerned. In order for this time to be recognized by MRP, the production time must be kept in the Kanye's transaction, which is used in those two modules. To access the relevant information, access bast03 Material Master Transaction. List and select the relevant material and click the show button. Switch to the production tab over here, and the duration fields can be examined on the right over here.